quick test drive. Shifts nice and smooth. The steering wheel has a very light vibration to it. You can see that there. There's a little shimmy. The car drives perfectly straight though. Really nice. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. Now we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections. Here with the front right wheel, got 2 chips right there. Got a chip here. And overall the face of the wheel looks really good. Here on the fender, got a couple small rock chips there. Got a little chip here. That plastic looks good. Here on the A-pillar, that looks nice and clean. That mirror looks good. This trim looks really nice. A lot of times these are faded. The roof looks good. Checking out the door. Overall, that looks nice and clean. You do have a couple rock chips in this area, all very minor. This wheel does have some curb rash right there. The rest of the wheel looks good. And then looking at the front end, starting with the hood, making our way down this edge. Got a chip right there, a couple small impacts. Another small one there. And you're gonna have a few little impacts here and there, but otherwise that front end looks nice. Got a chip here and some flaws in the paint there. Overall though, this hood looks really nice. Looking at the headlights, those are nice and clear. Got a chip here, a couple tiny scuffs. That headlight looks good. You do have a little notch right there out of the plastic. Little chip there. Got a chip right here. And then you do have some rash right there. Some rash right here. Otherwise, that front end looks good. And looking at the engine bay, all of that looks really good. And looking at the underhood liner, that looks really clean. Very, very clean engine bay. Okay, checking out the driver fender here. You're gonna have a couple small rock impacts, but all very minor. See a couple tiny scuffs right there. And looking at this wheel, got a couple scuffs on the lip there. You got a gash right there. Other than that, that wheel looks good. The A-pillar's nice and clean. This plastic is perfect. See a very small ding right there. Got a small scuff here, but the rest of that mirror looks good. The door looks awesome. We do have a tiny chip on the edge, little one there. And then you have a couple touch-up spots in this section. This upper section looks good. The bottom looks nice. Looking at this wheel, have a couple chips right here. Other than that, that wheel looks nice. Okay, checking out the back. Let's start with the upper side here. All of that looks clean. That looks awesome. Taillight's nice and clear. Looking at the bumper edge, I do see a little scuff there, a little scratch. This one's nice and clear. That back bumper looks awesome. Very, very nice. All right, looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. Now this is super common on these cars, but this panel is separating. Looking at the edges here, those all look to be intact though, so you're just getting that separation there. They do have really cheap upgrades for that to fix it. Speaker cover looks good. That section looks nice. That bolster's in real good condition. Do have some scuffs and a little bit of wear right there. Upper side looks nice. All of that looks good. Got a little scuff here. Steering wheel has that nice matte finish to it. It's very clean. That looks really good. I love the dash. All the plastics are really, really clean. This side looks amazing. All right, looking at this door panel. This one's separating just a little bit, but it's very minor. The rest of that looks good. A couple tiny scuffs here. Otherwise, that trim looks nice. Floor mat looks good. That bolster's really clean. Got a scuff right here. A little scratch there. Upper section looks nice. That bottom looks good. That plastic's clean. All of that looks nice. This side looks really good. Then looking here on the back seat, it looks really good. That seat back is perfect. Headliner looks good.